Sorry guys, just was arranging those all shell scripts. I have actually many shell scripts with me. So let's start this machine.
Mhm.
So yesterday we were learning some command line arguments. Okay. So while executing a shell script, like if we are passing the values through the command prompt, then that is called a command line argument. Now, uh, like this, for example, if you write anything like the dollar symbol, that is the notation for the command, like inside the shell script, that is the argument. And if you print something, you need to write like echo $1. So it will print the value of that argument. Okay. So, and if it is a single digit, means the number of arguments are in single digit, then it's okay. But if they are in double digits, like after 9, so you have to mention like this. Okay. Then how to display the arguments, like number of arguments you can display like this. Then if you want to display all the arguments in a script, okay, echo $star. Now this will display all the arguments as a single string. Single string means in one line only. But if you do like echo $, it will display each string as a one single argument. Okay. And if you want to display the process ID, then echo $. And echo question mark. This will give the output. Okay. Number of output signals it will give accordingly. Like if the commands in the shell script are successful, it will give a 0. But if some of the commands are not successful, then it can give like 2. And if command is not found, then it can give like this signal 127. So there are different signals. About the signals, you can read it out on the Google. You will get it from there. So all these things we were learning yesterday. Now apart from that, I suggest we can see some shell scripts regarding command line arguments. So if I go here, like command line arguments, like these are system defined variables, user defined variables we have. Okay. Comments, all commands are there. I'll give you these command shell scripts. Okay. Just so that you can practice, and along with this I'll give you some homework as well. Okay. So that you can see and practice how to write shell scripts and all. So we're talking about command line arguments. So this is just a single simple shell script, like about displaying these like number of arguments in a line. So you can display like this number of arguments. Okay. Then process number. So echo $. Then display the third argument. So like this. Display the 10th argument like this. Okay. So when we are talking like third argument, fourth argument, fifth argument, like they are as a single string in a line. So you can always like if there is a consider there is a line, okay, there's a string or something, and in that line there are number of arguments like 1 to 10. So you can give like this if you want to display something, okay, display the third argument on the command line. So and from where, from left to right, okay. So you can give like this, it will give the third argument, it will give the third argument, and from where, see there is a space left over there, okay. So from left to right means it will start from the left side and it will display the third argument from the left towards the right, okay, like this. Or display the 10th argument of the line from the left to right, so it will display like this, okay. Display the name of the current shell. So current shell, always $0. Zero is for current shell. So if you want to display current shell or shell script, $0. Display all the arguments on the command line using star symbol, sorry, asterisk symbol. So it will display all the arguments like this. Oh, let's try this one. Oh, so let's see. Let's connect this first. It's running now. Those who know Linux, it will be okay for them, but those who don't know, it will come through practice only. Okay. And I told you if you want to upload some file from the Windows to this page, then how you will do it? How you will do it? Hello? Say if I want to upload all these shell scripts in Linux machine, how I'll do that?
FileZilla.
Yeah, FileZilla. Okay. So FileZilla is a client. It's similarly like SSH. So it provides the connectivity between a Windows server and a Linux server like this.
WinSP also can use, right?
Ah, WinSCP is, yeah. It is the, you can say, advanced one. So apart from FileZilla, you can also use WinSCP also. Yeah, WinSCP.
Which one's better?
WinSCP is better, definitely.
Hmm.
Okay, WinSCP is better. Download it started. So it's an exe file, so it will run directly. Go for whatever is recommended. Okay. Can you see? Okay. So here, whatever machine you have to connect, so you can give IP of that machine, username, and password. So Azure user. What is there is advanced logging. See if we can use that file.
Yeah, we can use it. Not here.
Where?
You can select advanced
Uh-huh.
and authentication here in the left pane.
Okay. Okay, private key files.
Yeah.
So we'll go to this. Directly log in.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It will take.
Can everyone see here?
Yes.
Yeah, here is our Linux server, home Azure user. You can see all the directory structure of Linux here,
Mhm.
like this. See? Can you see home, lib, whatever you can see here, you can see here also in WinSCP. Home, Azure user, all the shell scripts we created yesterday. Okay, so what you have to do, just
You can drag and drop, basically.
where is the button for going back here?
So here, my documents is there. No? The left side, C local disk. Yeah. Above. Below. Yeah,
Okay.
one step below.
Okay. Yeah. So documents, this. Parent. Okay. That's one more step. Okay. Directly you can select from your directory. Okay. Here is shell scripts. Okay. So say if I want to directly these two comments.sh, I can transfer here, then system defined variables, then user defined variables, command line arguments. Let's see. So everyone got how to download WinSCP and then how to transfer the files by connecting the servers. Now here, if you will see, you will find all the files here. Can you see all the shells?
Mhm.
Yeah. So that comments one, if you see, comments example, single line comment, multi-line comment, all those things. Then system defined variables. So if you want to run sh 03, now still there is no permission with the shell script. How did it run? See, whenever you give shell in front of a shell script, like it will not run like this. Okay, so if I do like this 03, what is the name of that script? 03 hyphen. Sorry. Okay, I think already these scripts are having permission because earlier I have been running these scripts, so maybe they have already the permission.
Properties, right? Saved, might be saved.
Pardon?
Properties of the file might be saved. You've
Uh,
copied it earlier, right?
yes. Here it may not be showing the permission. Execute permission. It should show rx rw read. Okay. Actually, it's like that whenever you create a shell script and if you don't give permission, but if you run like this sh and then name of the shell script like hello.sh, so it will run because before the shell script we have written sh or bash, so it directly identifies the shell. Okay, so it runs because shell program will be running that shell script. So by default shell program is having all the permissions. So that's why if writing sh and bash in front of or any other shell, then it will run the shell script. Like yesterday we were saying that if we are not giving the permission after creating, so the shell script was not running. Okay, but if you run with sh like or writing any shell name in front of the script, it will run without any permission. Okay, like this. But for some other user, since I am the user who created the machine, so I am able to run all these things. But if you get access, like you are in the organization and you got access to the Linux machine through some system admin, then you may not be able to run. Okay, for that purpose, then you have to be added as a user to some group or like what they do, they bind some scripts and all like some folders or something they bind so that only people in this group can execute these or something like this, all those like admin permissions and all. Okay, so they set like that using user mode command. Okay, so these are already having permission, so that's why they are running like that only. Okay, so commands.sh, then system defined vars we are having. So if we do, let's see one by one. 03. system defined variables. So shell is this bash version, then hist size 1000 SSH client. Okay. Then there is a file called user defined variables. You can see that. Okay. So if you do cat 04, you can see name variable, then ID. So it will display all the things like this, like name. There's a variable called name. There is a variable called ID. So if you run this 03 and sorry, 41. 4, the name variable value is this, and ID variable is this, like this. Then the command line arguments. Command line argument. Okay, 1. So here, like number of arguments on a command line, process ID, it will display echo $, then display the third argument, display the 10th argument, display the name of the current shell, all these things. So if you run this, it will be, the result will come like this. So dot 05 1 dot sh. Now see, it is just displaying all the command line arguments. As of now, we are not giving any command line arguments. Okay. For giving a command line arguments, you have to put some condition. Now, what condition? Like if else condition, like that. Like, okay, only if you give some command line argument, then only the script will go ahead, like that. Okay. So after this, there is one more script for command line argument where we are seeing those conditions to run the command line arguments. Okay. So if you wanna take something, take input from the console only. Okay, this console. So you can keep like say there is a script which creates a storage account in our Azure. Okay, there's a, just for example, there is a script which creates storage account in your Azure. Now it will read out the storage account name from the command line only. Okay, so what can you give? You can give the condition over there. Okay, storage account name should be this, then the script will get executed and your storage account will be created with that name. If the name does not follows that condition, then the storage account will not be created, like this. And these are just example conditions. Okay, so here are all the like display number of, so as hash, as you can see in the result, this as hash. Okay, so this displays the number of arguments. Then $, process ID 2070. Okay, then third argument $3, 10th argument $10. Since there is nothing written with that in the shell script, that's why it is displaying all the blank. Okay, so $0, see bash shell it is displaying. So $0 is for bash shell. So here, if you can see, we have seen all these things to display the number of arguments, and then this all these things. Here is one more, like echo $0. This will display the current shell. To display the current shell. This thing I have written at the top also somewhere. See, echo $0. So you can display the current shell using echo $shell also, echo $0 also, and echo -p $. Also, like this. So is the script. Okay, now it is displaying the date also, because we have given date command somewhere. So here's the date. Okay, then s star, and $? Means, what was that? $? Will display the output of the command, whether the command is executed successfully or not. Okay, so it is giving 0 means all the commands executed successfully. Now if you see the other one here, 0, 7. Okay. Okay, 5th. At 0, 5 and 1. Now here you can see the condition. Now here, before giving any arguments or something, I can already give the conditions. Now there are different operators you can use. So you can use operators in any other language also, but here in shell scripting, like greater than, equal to, you can use this also. You can use -gt also. Okay, means directly. -gt means greater than. LT means less than. Equals means equals. Okay, so you can use this alphabetic also, and like this operator also. Okay, but this is more convenient. -gt greater than, -lt less than, -eq equals. For equal you can write eq also.
Yesterday you have shown that, right?
Yes. Okay, you can write eq also for equal. So now if $hash means number of arguments equals 3, then number of arguments on the command line echo $, will display all these. Will display, if 3 arguments are there, then it will display these lines. Else, please pass. It will ask to pass. If it will not pass, it will ask to pass some arguments in the script. So let's see this. If I run 05 command line argument 2.sh, what it is asking for me? To pass the 3 command line argument, right? So you can again run that 05 2.sh. Now let's pass some command line argument. Any as of now, it is not specific that you have to pass anything. So you can pass. So or wait. Anything you can, so storage account, storage name, then second storage location, and then size GB. See, 3 command line arguments I have passed and it ran the shell script. And what it is doing at this place, I've given this so that to display all the command line arguments. So it is displaying all the command line arguments here. Okay, what we have given, any command line argument you can give, like if you will give see,
How to give date kind of things, date or some other integer float kind of things. Just space is enough.
huh?
How to give date as a parameter? I mean,
In the console.
date
In
as
console, in the like console, see, you can give parameters or variables. Okay, that it should read out from there, but it will not read any type of command.
date in the sense today 25-10-23 like that. Can we give?
Let's see if you can give that, but I don't think.
This is string, right? Similarly, we can give integer or float also.
So if you can give integer here, if you run like this, yes, you can give. If you give float, any float example, what you can give?
10.0 something, 10.5 also.
10.5. Okay. Okay.
Now try giving that 25-10-23. Maybe it will take as a string only. You can give it, I guess.
Okay. You can give anything, but I don't think it will take any type of command or something.
Command it won't take, I guess.
Yeah, it will
It is
take
taking a string only. Yeah.
Yeah. So whatever you will give, it will take as a string only.
Right. Got it.
So this is for command line argument. So it is just a simple example I am giving. I have created a shell script to just create a storage account in you can say Azure. Okay. Now I've all the inside the script, all the commands are like that. Okay. So if you read out this 05 2.sh, now it started with a condition. If command line argument, first condition will be command line argument. So you have to give the command line argument. Then what kind of command line argument? If that command line argument means whatever you have given. So inside if there is also one if condition will be there inside if also. Okay. So that condition, say for example, storage account name. So you have passed the storage account name in the command line while giving the script name only, okay, while running the script, or you have passed the name of the storage account. Now it will check whether that name of the storage account is matching that condition or not. Which condition? Like whatever your organization has decided. Like maybe your organization has decided to write any give any name like this, okay, according to the project, according to the project. So if they have given, see, like we have a project called AZ. Now we are working on this DevOps. So 400 is our project. And then say there is a lab going on. So 01B, and then the storage. Okay. So say storage 01, like this. So this is a kind of condition. Now condition says that certification name should be first, and then there should be a 400 and 01 lab, and then there will be storage name like this. So you can write the like this, if condition you can give, and you can start like this, okay. If whatever you have given, your command line argument, okay, so whatever your argument number is, say my argument number is 1, whatever the command line argument you will be giving, that you will be reading out like that, okay. How you will read that? Like you are running a script. That script is, say, storage account creation. So storage creation is the script name, and you are running that, okay. So dot storage creation is my script name, storage creation. And now I have to give the command line argument. So what I'll give in the command line argument? So total I have to give 3 command line arguments. For example, first one is the storage name. Very first, the storage name. So storage name, so you have given AZ 400, and then 01B, and then storage and 01. Now this is the name of the storage account I have given. And then this is the first command line argument, okay. So how you will display the first argument? So your first argument will be $1. This is your first argument. Then $2 will be your second argument. Whatever the argument may be, it can be a storage name, location, whatever given first is the first argument. Second, whatever you will give will be the second argument. Similarly, if you are giving any 10th argument, so dollar, now it will not take like this $10. So how you have to give? It will be like this, okay. So this is the 10th argument. Got it? So whatever you will give here, like storage account name I have given, then storage location. Then what is the third one we can give after storage location? Storage size, okay. So storage size, okay, like this. So you have given all this. So first argument, second argument, like this, number of arguments you can give. Now here I can give a condition here now. If my first argument, like if I write $1, that is my first argument. And what which operator I'll put here? Which operator? Like. Because I want to match the storage account name, right? That should be according to cert-lab-storage name, right? So I want first argument to be like this. So if first argument is like this, then go ahead and create a storage account. Got it? How the shell script would be there?
Yes, sir. Sort of.
See,
It sounds complex, but yeah.
yeah, sounds complex, but if you know all the basic commands, then it is okay. You can always do that.
This,
all-
what
yeah.
are the other things like I mean, wildcard, all these things? I mean,
See,
any other?
wait. After this, we will be covering everything like
Okay,
operators, arithmetic operators, logical operators,
okay,
everything I'll tell you. Okay. As of
yeah,
now, we are just seeing what is a command line argument.
done.
See, I am explaining you in going very deep. This should not be like that as of now. Why? Because I was just telling you what is a command line argument. That's it.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So as of now, there are no like you can say loops and all as of now haven't came.
Okay, okay.
Okay, loops, operators, all these things I have to tell you.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Okay. So as of now, just see it like that. Okay.
Okay,
These are the
done.
command line arguments like this you can give. Okay. So it is a kind of script which is like you will be if you a command line script or a script should be like that each and every person can uh, go and create something or do something with that script, okay, by giving some command line arguments. Okay, means that script is for all. There are no names, nothing which are hard coded inside the script with a command line argument script. It is based on those command line argument only. When someone will give those command line arguments, it will
Then
run
it will work.
taking those values. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. So these are like command line arguments. After the command line arguments, I'll give you those shell scripts. Okay. So don't worry. Operators. Okay. So this is very simple. Okay. Hyphen EQ is equals. And how you will represent equals here? Double equal. Okay. System understands this. System will not understand single equal. So double equal. Then hyphen any. That is
हमरा को तो जॉब इतना जानाते हैं ना गांव के लोग
is
पे
being
जाओ
used not equals. Okay.
गांव के लोग पे जाओ जरा
Okay, not equals. Not equals, how we write for the system? Okay, these are operators. What else? What else?
Greater than, lesser than. Less than, equal.
Yeah, less than equal. So LE. S equals. So a less than will be there and equal to will be there. Less than. So simple less. Then hyphen GT greater than. Simple, you can have this one. And then greater equals. So greater and equal. So all these are operators. After operators, now let's go to string. Okay, string. So string is single or multiple characters enclosed within quotes. Quotes can be single or double. Okay, single, double. Example, we can have like name. So I can have like this also. Okay. Now there is one more thing. There's a string variable also. So how we represent? String underscore var. This is a string variable. Okay. So string variable, you can write a whole string. So hi team, my name is. Sorry. Now this will be called as a string variable. So in the string variable, you can write whole string using quotes. And how it will display the value? Simple. Echo dollar and what? String variable. Okay. So string underscore variable will display the value of string variable. You can write like this also, or you can write like this also. Both will work.
No.
Let's give a string. Equals I've given a string variable. Now echo dollar string underscore var. Can you see? Got it?
Oh,
Yes, sir.
So this is a string variable. Now after string variable, we have now if I want to read the length of that string variable, what I can do?
String variable dot length any function is there?
No,
No.
no. Actually, it's like
Character array.
जल्दी दूध पियो
pardon?
Any
फिनिश
character
करोगे
function.
दूध
Now it's someone feeding the child. Great.
Yes, Rohit.
Yes,
After some time I also have to do something like that.
Yeah, eventually everyone has to.
Okay, no worries. So string, like, you can use that hash symbol. Okay. So if you want to use special characters like hash with variable, then you need to keep variable name inside curly braces like this. So if I want to know length of variable, so how I can, sorry. So length of variable So I have to use this echo dollar. Now, if I directly, so if I want to string variable to be displayed, I can write string underscore var. It will display the string variable. But if I want the length, so for displaying the length, how I'll write? Because here, if you have seen, for number of variables or number of arguments, so this is the one as hash. Now here I cannot directly write as hash. It will not display. So if you write echo, if you will write echo, sorry, it's the last command only. I'll write like this, hash. So now directly it displayed 0. Okay, it is not taking anything, displayed 0. But if I want, how I'll do that? I have to do like this, something like this. So now I have to put in curly. Yeah. Let's see if that gives. Can you see? Earlier it was giving 0. Now it is giving perfect. Okay, you can read out the characters. Hi team, my name is Abhishek, 28. Okay, so if you want to display the length of the variables in the string variable, then you can use like this.
Here including space also, right?
Where
Yes, I guess.
space. Where you want to give space?
No, the 28 variable will include with the space, right?
Yes, everything.
Just including space on it.
So whether you give space or anything, system will read out, na?
It's a
Yeah.
character.
Yeah. Now there is one more thing, like if you don't want to display the characters, if you don't want to display some characters or something in the variable,
Minus that is, you want to remove that spaces or some character, right? That is what you're saying.
yeah, number of characters.
Okay.
Okay, you want to display some number of characters, then simply you can give like this. Okay, so here I have to remove this first. It will display total.
Hmm.
But if I want to display let's see what it gives. So it is displaying from the last.
How it is
Substring.
taken?
It is substring.
Yeah. I think this is also wrong. It have to be like this.
It is taking from 8th character.
Yes, correct.
Minus 8 is giving same thing. Eight is starting letter.
No, I find 8.
Starting character, comma length from there. Might be 8,2 or 8,5 will give you till my name.
Yes, yes, that's what I'm looking for as of now. There was no space, that's why it is giving us some wrong results. Okay, so now if I want to display 8 characters from the last, space hyphen 8.
Okay, space.
I think this will display the no, this is again taking wrong.
It is taken from starting of the this thing, Abhishek. If you see that high team comma, right?
Yeah, so leaving 8 characters.
Ah,
It is taking rest of it.
It is taking from 8
it
character
is
onwards.
taking from 8 till entire this thing. String.
Okay, okay. So
You-
whatever, like if you want to leave something from the first or the last, or you want to display some specific characters from the string variable, then you can display using these kind of variable, like numbers after the string variable.
Can you put once 8,2?
8,2. Let's see.
What is that?
Pardon?
8,2 is what is referring here?
No, again it is taking 2 as starting this thing.
Yes.
So it is excluding 8, but it is. I thought from 8 it will take 2 as I mean length of substring. That means I was aiming at my my letter.
No, if you have to give like that, like
No, that's what I said.
Something different.
oh, what this is doing, not displaying first 8 characters, right? Got it?
Right.
Now here, say if I want to display something after this number of characters, then there's one more thing I can do.
Okay.
Okay, so let's say leaving 8 characters, I want to display next my name is Abhishek. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, say 8 only. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so let's say let's take 8 only here. Can you see now it is displaying only 8 characters after starting from start, it is leaving 8 characters and then it is displaying only 8 characters.
Yeah, instead of comma, it is colon.
Yeah, instead of comma, you have to give colon. So if I give 2, it will display only my.
Yeah, M.
M and space. Oh.
Before space is there, after comma.
Yeah. Okay.
Got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is all about string variable.
Substring, substring.
Yes. Now after string variable, there are some.
Can you do 8:1? Let's see.
8:1.
Blank.
It will not display M also.
Blank.
Blank. It will come. See?
Okay, got it. Thank you, sir.
Now there are arithmetic. Can we start tomorrow? No, it's 9:25.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay, I'll write all these things in the notepad. I'll upload. Okay, I'll give the shell scripts also.
Yeah, sure, Abhishek.
Cool.
Thank
It
you.
is not taking from the first word, right? High team. That is not taking, right? 8:2. It is taking from what they have given. My name
Leaving
is
8, first 8. If you write, if you
okay.
take hide space team,
Got it.
that is all
Yeah.
all 8 characters. Okay.
The notation is starting of the character and length of the string from where to it should take. From 8th character to 1, 8 to 2.
That is understood. But
It is
the
like
next time when 8:2, 8:1, I thought it is taking from the first from our from one. Okay, then I got it.
okay. So if it will if you take like this string and underscore variable then colon, space. Now I have to leave something at first. I want some specific characters, like that characters is falling out after leaving 8 characters. So I left out 8. So whatever first number you will give, it will leave that number of characters. And again, if you give colon, now whatever character you want to read out, like I want to read out my name. So what I'll give? I'll give again 8. So those 8 characters it will read out. Leaving first 8, this first one leaves the character. Second one takes the character.
Okay, 8 is hyphen 2 is different, right? That is taken from the backside.
Yes. So if I'm not giving this, if I'm giving this, so now it will be leaving 8 characters from the back.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, as of now it is leaving from the first. Now it will be leaving from the back. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So whatever you want to give, like, or read the variable, string variable, whichever character you want to read out, you can take like this. So all this about string variable. Next is like we'll be doing, we'll be seeing arithmetic, or just wait 2 minutes only. I'll complete this out also. Okay, just 2 minutes. Can we wait 2 minutes?
Yes, sir.
For sure.
So arithmetic operators. So tomorrow I can give shell scripts on all of these. Okay, arithmetic operators and all. So arithmetic operators talk about is, what are the kind of arithmetic operators we use?
Plus,
Plus
minus,
Equals.
equals.
Plus is there, then minus is there.
Multiplication, division.
Multiplication, divided.
Not multiplication, asterisk.
yeah.
In system,
Division.
asterisk is multiplication. Okay. There is no multiplication button in system. Have you seen anything like that?
Yeah, it is intended to asterisk only.
Yeah. Okay. Then divide and whatever
Percentage.
percentage. Okay. All these 5 operators we have. Now, how you will syntax? What is the syntax? Syntax for this. So how you can use EXPR expression, that is space 2 space plus space 3. This will give you the sum of 2 plus 3. Okay. So now if A equals to 10, B equals 20, and EXPR space.
In single line, can't we initialize both A and B?
Pardon?
In
With a
single
comma?
line. Comma, right?
With a comma.
Okay. Non-integer.
Okay. Wait. There's a catch. We have to give like this.
Conversion.
No, no.
10, right?
Pardon?
No, it is taking a string.
Yeah, it is taking as a string. Wait.
You can directly put EXPR 10 plus 20. It will work.
Yeah, that will work. I know. That will work. That will work. Yeah. But I have initialized. Okay,
Yeah.
like this. In
Mhm.
script, you will
Okay.
not give it directly.
Right.
Okay. So in script, you will give something like this, like
A plus B.
I think 8 can take. No? No. Non-integer argument. It will take 10. Anyone will please find it out tomorrow. Okay. How we'll do like this. Okay.
A express bracket A plus B.
Bracket.
Yes. Flower bracket.
We need to define A is equal to int A, something like after defining A is equal to 10, later we have to define, convert it to integer also. A is equals to int A, something like that.
Into bracket A plus B. I mean flower bracket.
Yeah.
This one. Curly.
Curly.
Curly or which one?
Curly only.
Curly one.
No.
Okay.
Find out tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. Please do some brainstorming and find out tomorrow. Okay. Sorry.
Sir.
Okay. So we'll see. Just a second. EXPR. Then same 2 space minus space 3. Then like this. These are just syntax examples. Okay. EXPR. Now for multiplication, asterisk would not directly work. Asterisk would not directly work. This is wrong. Okay. What is right for multiplication? EXPR 2, then space, and then sorry, this one, backward slash, asterisk, and then 3. This will work for multiplication. This is the right expression. And then for division, simple X PR. And now simple one will do 10, and then this space 2, this division. Okay, and percentage EXPR, simple 10, and then %2, like this. All these are operators. We'll see tomorrow with a shell script.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So far, we have completed